Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to speed up Windows 11 with just 2 steps. So let's begin. Open the run command first of all, and on the search type sysdm.cpl. Look for advanced options, then click on settings, and here choose the adjust for best performance. Apply. OK. Next step is open registry editor as admin and look for this path: computer, HK current user, control panel and desktop. You can directly copy and paste this path here like this and look for here menu delay, this option, menu show delay. Choose it from 400 to 0, then click on OK, and now restart your computer. Everything should be working fine. This is the video and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.